Good day, sir. I'm Jobigel de Cabrito.
I'm Ingrid Morales.
I'm Garen Dizon.
I'm Kim Mahinay.
And we are here to discuss the Doppler shift. Doppler shift, the apparent change in the frequency of a wave caused by relative motion between the source of wave and the observer. Ibig sabihin, this is all about change of frequency or pitch of wave, just like sound.
As you can see the simulation, an ambulance siren sounds higher pitched as it approaches you.
You can see from the simulation, the source of sound moves away from the observer. It means that the sound waves behind are stretched and the observer perceives a lower frequency than the actual emitted frequency.
If the source reaches the observer, the sound wave reach him perfectly if he were still standing.
And that's all for today. Thank you for listening.